So as you can see, my wallet is now ready and steady. My wallet is now ready and steady. I can send and I can receive. All right, as you can see, I can see. All right, B Network released this information on their birthday, on their 5th birthday. All right, they released this information. So we are going to touch this link. This is exactly where we are going to go and open this link. The information and everything is on this link. All right, so before we touch the link, if you know you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And here they say happy B-Day believer official announcement, and the excitement here they point at this link. All right, so we are going to touch the link and open it and see exactly what is the information that's and the excitement that they want to share. As you can see, they said celebrating 5th birthday. All right, 5th birthday around the world. They said we celebrate because it's our day. B Wallet 2.0 update your B Wallet 2.0 as soon as possible to step into the vast space of decentralization. So update your B wallets. The old wallet will soon be unavailable, so don't forget to export and properly save your old wallet private key. All right, so I hope you are marking this. Once the export is complete, the wallet will be permanently removed from the B database. Number 2, Game Center leaderboard challenge. A new version of the Game Center is now online, featuring comprehensive collection of popular casual games. We are not going to talk about everything here. I'm just going to take us to where and here is about KYC. They talk about KYC here. All right, they say about KYC opening. KYC is ready for some believers. Check if you are the one. According to the white paper, B Network KYC will gradually open to everyone. Make sure you don't miss it when it comes to you. By the way, they safeguard the right of every real believer. There may be more different methods to verify your identity. Details later. All bot accounts will be finally excluded, and the B will also get burned. Enjoy your days living in this hive. Let's make every day birthday. All right, so what they are trying to the KYC is opening, and they are not opening it for everyone, only for some believers. All right, the KYC is open for only some believers. You have to check if your KYC is ready and open, then you can apply for your KYC. If it's not open, you have to wait like they said. All right, make sure you don't miss it when it comes to you. Make sure you don't miss it when it comes to you. Make sure you stay active. All right, this is the app here. This is B Network. As you can see, this is B Network. It's yellow. So it's a non-telegram mining. It's not a telegram mining. As you can see, it just open. So as you can see, this is how it looks like from this side. This is the wallet part. They said import a wallet using CitPress or update wallet. All right, so if you want to update wallet, you press on update and you update your wallet. I accept. Then you create a password, set a password. Then I'm going to create a password and set a password. All right, so as you can see, guys, my password is ready. Then I'll press confirm. So network would like to use biometric functionality to protect your asset. Then I'll press allowed. Then I'll use my fingerprint here. So as you can see, I just update my wallet. So if you already have Passphrase, if you already have a wallet, you just need to import it. All right, so as you can see, this is my wallet and I have 0 in my balance. Cloud backup. So I'm going to join my email in case of a backup. Yes, I want my email to be my backup. So I want to enable backup, cloud backup for my using my email in case if I miss anything. So as you can see, my wallet is now ready and steady. I can send and I can receive. All right, as you can see, I can see. So I'm going to touch the KYC verification and see if I'm eligible. So next round is coming soon. They say next round is coming soon, so I'm not eligible for the verification also. All right, so this is all about today's update. Please, if you are new, so this is about the KYC here. So you have to make sure you do the KYC. All right, don't miss the KYC. Make sure you do the KYC. So I think that's all about this update. This is all about the Bees update, and I'm going to keep updating you on this B network, because I think this B network is going to cook something amazing. All right, so if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'm going to drop link to B on the description of this video. Check the link. I'm going to drop a lot of whole links for mining. This is not Telegram mining, it's a non-Telegram mining. It's a non-Telegram mining. I'm going to drop the link on the description of this video if you want to start. All right.